What's up? This is Casey from Caseyscustoms. This video, we are finally going to get the Tuggadoo in the water. We're going to see if it floats. I have no idea. We're going to see if it runs. We're going to see how well it runs and all that and more. My dad's coming to get me right now. We're going to throw it on the back of the truck and see what happens. Let's go. Before we get this kids sandbox into the water to see if it even floats, please hit that subscribe button. I've kind of plateaued on my subscribers. Views are doing really well, but 80% of my views come from non-subscribers. So if you aren't subscribed, please click that button. It really helps the channel grow a lot, lets us do a lot of crazy stuff in the shop. So let's get on to the video.
Are you sure there's any gars in here?
I don't know. I'm definitely fishing here.
Look, are gars fishes, but half of alligators?
Check it out. She's in the water and floating. It's been a 2-year build. Finally get it to the water. This is the first time in the water. Battery's dead. I spend 30 minutes getting the battery out because they're like in there funky. I get another battery, put it in. That battery was dead. I can't make this shit up. Third battery's in there. It's not even the right size. So right now I just have vice clamps holding it, but it did just start. So yeah, I'm gonna hook the GoPro up to the side of it. I got the GoPro over here, GoPro mount right there. The other guys fishing here, this is my uncle's pond, and there were some kids fishing here a minute ago, and there was a 6-foot water moccasin right there. He took a picture of it. So yeah, I'm basically shitting my pants as I'm standing in here, but let's throw the seat on, see what happens. I have tightened and retightened this. I don't think it's going anywhere, but boy, if it does, it's just gone. It's pretty stupid of me, but whatever. If it falls off, I guess it'll be funny. It'll be content. Let's fire up, see what happens. I'm so nervous. I'm actually happy though. It does float, which is great. You know, that's the important thing. Also, this horse just walked back here, and I'm on, you know, water moccasin watch right now, and I almost pissed my pants because that thing walked 20 feet from me, but it was just a noise behind me that I wasn't ready for. But all right, enough sidetracking. Let's see what happens. I just realized I'm an idiot and I should get a life jacket.
2 hours later.
Can't find a life jacket, so I might play around the edges for now. Not sinking, that's a good sign. It's actually really fast. Oh, that was dope. Holy shit, that was fun. All right, let's try it again. Hey, please don't lick the hood. Friggin' damn horse has already scared me enough today.
bite, I think.
He got a bite.
All right, I'm going the other end. It runs so good. Here. All right, put it down. Grab my pole. By the way, if anybody wonders why I'm mostly staying over there, because I'm trying to stay out of their way because I'm completely messing them up with like 3-foot waves. My kid yelled at me. He's 7. He said, "We're trying to fish." So I'm trying to stay over in this region, although it's ruining them either way, but it's kind of funny. We got a little bit of a leak, so if you can move faster, that'd be great. Did you catch any, Bubba? Good, yes! Hit the red button. Okay. Listen, I'm just gonna go right there. I just want you to videotape me fishing. Ready? Wait, Jason. Here, front, so good. Here. All right, put it down. Grab my pole.
Here, what are you doing?
Trying to get you around this way.
Okay.
There you go. All right, get out of here, guys. Thank you. That'll be fun.
Are you drowning?
High five. No, I thought I did, but that's just for my feet.
Watch your little...
It's fine. It's fine. It's on there. So I can't find the footage where I was complaining about it. It's running perfect, but it's not getting all the power from the motor to the prop. There's like a little drive shaft there, and I'm missing a couple little clamps. And the clamps are, I guess, what holds the water pressure or the air pressure in to kind of really spin your propeller out. I could not find those clamps everywhere. I assume since I had the motor completely out a year ago that I've either lost them or whatever. So the plan was to go home, get some clamps, go up there in a couple more days, finish it up, really get it out there and kind of rip it up, and then just shit hit the fan. It's been raining for a couple days. There's no way I can get out there to it. We'll go back up there probably in another video, get the hose clamps on, and we can really take off. There are a couple times when I was driving it there, it had a ton of shit, and I mean, it almost throws you back, like it just raises up. And then other times I would floor it, and you can hear the engine, you know, doing like 4,000 revolutions, like wah, and the prop's just going boo, 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 like barely turning. So it almost feels like when a clutch is slipping in a car, but obviously it didn't do it the whole time, so I knew it wasn't a huge problem. Since this has happened, I've talked to a couple of Jetski guys, and they kind of basically told me those clamps were really important. There's a couple other things it could be that I was gonna check, but haven't been able to get up there to do it, so we're gonna have to do all that on another video, but super, super happy. It actually floats. I literally didn't know if it was gonna float because I've cut it up a bunch, you know, changed a bunch of things. I'm gonna put some before footage in this video because some of you, since it's such an old build, you probably never even seen what it started from. It was a kid's Sandbox and a Jetski, and I cut the hell out of both of them and kind of molded them together. So I'll put some before footage up here. You can check it out, but very, very excited. It actually runs, it actually floats. It's cool, super cool. All I'm ever gonna do with it anyway is just kind of cruise around and fish. So it actually worked perfect for what I needed it for. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff I say at the end of videos. Check out some more of my other videos. Peace. Love ya.